What guys, I got a monster.
Simple lang siya.
I got a monster truck. Look this.
Iba-vlog ka na naman, ha?
Shiny and gold. Shiny pala. Shh. What this? What's this?
Wow! Ang init! Ano?
Ah.
Ah! Ah!
Huwag ka maingay. Nag-vlog ako.
Ay! Hindi nakita ako. Nakita ako?
Hindi. At ganito ako kanina ni Keros. It is awesome, guys. Comment on the below on comment on below. Then like or subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys. See you in my next video.